Hi guys, Boris Dorfman here with LBC Capital Income Fund. I'd like for you to subscribe down below if you like the video, comment and share with your friends. We are gaining a lot more followers on YouTube and I'd like this video to go viral. We're going to talk about 2024 and prognosis for 2024 for real estate and for stock market for other investments. Again, I'd like to be active on this video. We're going for 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. I appreciate your help. So 2024, we're at the end. This is December 2023. There's a lot of things that's happening on the market, but what is the investment future holds for us in 2024? Well, first of all, the big elephant in the room is job market and inflation. It looks like inflation is coming down. Rates have came down a little bit, so everybody's waiting on the Fed's next decision, and everybody is waiting for the Fed to start cutting rates in 2024. So inflation is not there at a 2% Fed's target yet, but it's slowly getting there. Last few readings were 0.2% monthly, so if you annualize that, that's 2.4%. That's not too far off. So where the markets are going to go in 2024. So let's talk about real estate. This is what we do. Let's talk about stock market. Let's talk about precious metals market, and let's skip through crypto. Again, we're talking about investments here, so we don't consider cryptocurrency as an investment. It's a gamble. It's a play. Some people use their money, and trade crypto, which is fine. So for the purpose of this video, we're not going to talk about that. Real estate market, we predict real estate market being extremely strong in 2024. Well, let's not say extremely, but we're going to see a lot more transactions than 23. There haven't been a lot of transactions in 2023 for one reason or another. Most of it is because there's lack of supply. So we're going to see a lot more supply in 2023. And a lot of people were not selling their current residences and buying new ones, even if they need to, because they're sitting on a 3% interest rate of their current mortgages, current properties. They need to move up or move down or move to a different neighborhood laterally, and the bank's rates are at 7%, right? So even if you want to, you're not selling. You may buy another property, but why sell a property that has a 3% mortgage? And some people are not even selling. Our projection, the rates are going to come down significantly in 2024. So with the rates coming down, we'll see a lot of more people selling real estate. We're going to see a lot more transaction. So when I say strong market, I meant people are going to transact a lot more. As far as price appreciation, I think it's going to be low, flat to low, maybe 0 to 6%. You're going to see a lot more inventory on the market. You're going to see lower interest rate. Again, this is my prognosis. This is my forecast. This is December 23. We can come back to this a year from now and see how I did. So, we expect low single digit to flat real estate appreciation. We expect lower interest rates. I think we're going to see rates in high fives by the end of next year on a fixed product. All of you guys that have HELOCs or adjustable rate mortgages that are prime or SOFR based, you're going to see a significant drop. Granted, the Fed is going to cut the interest rates next year. So yeah, you're going to see a lot more transactions, and you're going to see there's certainly people that have been calling for a real estate market crash in the past few years since COVID. I don't think it's not happening. LBC Capital Income Fund is extremely strong and positioned to take advantage of higher originations, higher transactions in 2024. We're currently closing on a larger line of credit that's going to be much cheaper. We're raising more capital. We're open to more investments. So stock market. I expect stock market to fall in 2024. We're going to see softer job market. We're going to see softer economy. I don't think we're going to hit a recession, but if we will. So stock market has been extremely strong in 2023, very resilient. By the end of 2024, I think it's going to be lower than it is today. That being said, the name of the game is diversification, right? So you have your fixed income bond products, you have your stock market, you have your precious metals, you have real estate. I'd like to see people that has 100% allocation into stock market to take at least 50% of their money off the table and go with us, invest in LBC Capital. But really, or go to fixed funds, go to bond funds. Yeah, you don't want to get stuck with 100% of your assets in the stock market. Precious metals, I never liked it as an investment, though it is a long-term investment. But it's a good thing to have in your portfolio, especially maybe some people like physical gold and silver. But I don't think having more than 10% of gold, silver, precious metals in your portfolio is a good investment strategy. You guys hear these stories that in 1920s Rockefeller or somebody went to shine their shoes, and he tipped the guy shining his shoes a gold coin. Gold was at $20 an ounce at that time, and for one gold coin, $20 an ounce, person went ahead and he bought a suit, he bought a pair of shoes, a belt, a handkerchief, cufflinks, right? So a couple of shirts, and it stands true today, right? Like an ounce of gold is give or take $2,000. You take $2,000, you could buy a suit, couple of shirts, a belt, pair of shoes, a handkerchief, or whatever is in style today, a tie. It still holds today. So 1 ounce of gold bought it then, 1 ounce of gold buys it today. But these people never tell you to go compare what S&P 500 did since 1920. Okay, go invest $20 100 years ago in S&P 500. So obviously S&P outperformed gold. So I'm not big on gold, though I don't mind it in the portfolio, especially some people, doomsdayers, better to be in gold than in crypto. So stock market will be down, gold irrelevant, real estate is going to be flat to up a little bit. Interest rates are going to be down, but really you guys should be diversifying. And if you look at real estate investments for long term, it's there. S&P 500 is a great long-term investment, but you have to deal with daily, weekly, yearly fluctuations. Real estate is tangible, it's there. And as far as our fund, what we're doing, we're really looking to increase the yield next year through a little bit of leverage, through higher rates, getting into the portfolio from this year, people paying down, paying off loans with the lower interest rates that we gave 2-3 years ago. So, and just by sheer size, we're getting bigger, and it will translate into a higher yield. Thank you very much. Again, please subscribe, please be active, get us to 1,000 subscribers. This is a very tight industry for accredited investors. So I really appreciate you coming here, listening to me. Please invite your friends. Thank you very much. I'll see you next time.